who is absolutely loving the autumnal vibes, which is exactly what this video is going to be about. Now, here in the UK, we have had a really long summer, and we've had actually a heat wave in the last couple of weeks, so I haven't been able to get into the groove of the autumn season. However, today, the frost has arrived. So you would have seen already the little routine that I had this morning. I made a healthy version of a pumpkin spiced latte, and then I sat down and really kind of planned my week. So today is Sunday, and I do like to get all my affairs in order on the Sunday evening so that come Monday morning we can get straight in with the nitty gritty. So yeah, managed to get that done, which has been great. And I've also started to prepare my Cinnabons because they do need to be sitting for about 6 to 8 hours. So that part has been done. And then what did we do, Meme? Then a Amazon delivery arrived, which actually I need to show you what I ordered because I haven't tried it on yet. And I'm really, really excited to try it. And yeah, I popped into the garden and picked some flowers. These are going to be the last now of the summer season. I picked some flowers for my lovely little dainty vases, which you would have seen me put together. And I also continued to harvest some seeds from my Cosmos. Now my Cosmos this year, I was not expecting them to be as tall as they were. But not only that, I also was not expecting how big the flower was going to be. The flowers of some of them were this big. Absolutely massive. I would want to call them dinner plate Cosmos if that was even a thing, but they were so amazing. I just knew I had to collect and harvest seeds from those so that I can regrow them next year. There were also some really lovely lilac coloured sweet peas. Now I didn't get as much flowers, so there are not as many seeds to collect, but I collected some nonetheless so that we can really get some more purple ones in because they're so beautiful. I have managed to collect a lot more of the sort of deeper purple burgundy sweet peas as well, but I like them, but they're not as pretty as the delicate pastels. So yeah, I have collected those as well. And yeah, I've kind of started to put them all away themselves, and I put them in an airtight container. Oh, sorry mate. And yeah, those are ready to go. And I also planted some of my autumnal bulbs. Now most of the bulbs are already in the ground, so I'm expecting those to reappear next year. Put in the mascara because I haven't had mascara before. There's one thing that I missed last year is I really felt like I wanted mascara. The other thing that I really want to grow next year is evening primrose, but you know, the sort of pastel-y yellow flowers. Let me know if you know where to get those from because I have not found them yet because they are out of season. So yes, anyway, keeping an eye out for those. And yeah, it's been a really fun morning so far, really productive. I did have a really annoying mishap with my printer though. I think the printer has come to the end of its life, quite sadly. Anyway, boring stuff aside, that took annoyingly a couple of hours of my day, so I'm not a happy bunny about that. But anyway, doesn't it mean? And yeah, otherwise it's been really cozy. We've got all the candles out, we've got one in every room, and yeah, I cannot wait. I'm really excited for the autumn season. It's just so cozy. Now I do love summer, but there's just something about autumn that's just like super cozy. I do think we need to put the heating. Oh, hello. We do need to get the... Oh, stop being rude. You're being very rude. Anyway, cue that. I'm going to go and try on my Amazon leggings and I will show you what they look like on. Okay, so here are the leggings. I'm actually really impressed. They feel so soft. I have no idea what this is made from, but it feels amazing. It's really good in terms of support around the stomach area, but not so much so that it feels uncomfortable. It's not too tight. I do get a bellyache when I wear tight things, so that seems like it's gonna be good. It's really quite shapely as well, actually. If you can see, really nice seams. It almost feels, I don't know, it's very thin, but it's extremely warm. I have no idea what this is made from. And yeah, I'm actually really loving them. Very nice. I kind of wanted a plain black pair of leggings to go under jumpers like this. Still feel very sort of sucked in and comfortable, but also to be able to wear them to the gym as well. I don't know about you, but when I am kind of at home editing videos, filming, I feel gravitated towards wearing sort of comfy, sort of knitted stuff, stretchy stuff, leggings. But sometimes there's a really fine line between feeling comfy and feeling frumpy. And when you feel frumpy, you don't feel as productive. But I do find when I wear gym wear, it's a bit like wearing jeans. I feel comfy, but not too comfy to sort of slouch on the sofa or anything. So you kind of forced to sit at the desk. I don't know if that makes any sense. Ignore me if it didn't. But yeah, I kind of wanted something that I could wear as well around the house, feel really put together, be able to answer the door to the postman, not looking like an absolute tramp. But yeah, to be honest, I think I would wear this for a lot of things. Very smooth. I can see that Mima's already got her fur on it, however it is brushing off very easily, which is good. Cat mum life. If you know, you know. Yeah, very nice. Very, very nice. Sucking you in, but not too much. Yeah, love them. I'm actually going to get them in more colours. I will link them down below because they are from Amazon. And yeah, kind of wanted to get this on the Prime Day sale, but never mind. Yeah, really, really lovely. To be honest, I would even go to say that they remind me of the Lululemon Line leggings, but these were actually a lot cheaper. Anyway, I have just heard the door go, so I think there's no delivery there. So let's go and see what that's all about. Now, this just arrived, which is good timing because we have had so much issue in the living room getting out the front door because we actually can't see. So yeah, because we live in a cottage, all the light switches for some reason are just in awkward places. So for example, in the living room, it's kind of by the hallway and there's no control of the light near the front door. So between getting from the beginning of the living room to the end of the living room, you kind of have to do that all in the dark. And because I keep my socks kind of there before I leave the house, etc., gloves, that sort of thing, it's just an absolute nightmare to find anything. So I thought I would get these. So these are motion lights. I will show you the situation in our living room in a moment. Try to open this with one hand. This is a 2-pack and they are rechargeable, which was really fun. Let's have a look at these. Nice, they're nice and small. So the theory with this is that you can choose how warm or light the light is, also how intense it is. So that's great. I'm thinking of putting one in the inside of the front door and one on the outside of the front door, so in the porch area. So if we turn this on, oh, they're already on, quite bright, bloody hell, woo! And then how do you, and the auto is, I suppose, when it's just motion. So let's try it out. What it may be worth doing is reading the instructions. And actually this is a good vlogging light. I might just need to order one just to stick to my camera. That's pretty good actually, isn't it? Because winter's coming. No joke aside, it's actually going to be really difficult to film being so dark, because that's without. And it's actually really quite inexpensive. It was £10 for 2. So again, I will leave this one linked down below if you're also having trouble like us, where we actually can't see to get out the front door. First world problems.